Welcome to POV pare. I'm your pare Jay. This episode, we're going to unbox a present from National Bladeworks. I'm excited to see what's inside. So, let's get started. First off, I like the black packaging with the logo beneath. Wow, nice. I have a new kitchen hat. Look at the details. Love the color, pare. It's my favorite olive. Let's check out what's inside. Woo! I'm excited. This is it. Wow. Thank you so much, Karen and Ryan. I'm so proud of you guys. Comes with sticker and a band-aid. Uy, very nice. This is a Bangka knife 2021 collection. I love the plastic handle. It's perfect for kitchen service. I'm really surprised, guys. For sure, this is gonna be my everyday kitchen knife. Again, thank you so much, Karen and Ryan. More power for National Bladeworks. Peace, guys. Peace. Woo. If you want to know more about National Bladeworks, you can check out their Facebook page and Instagram. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe.